Eating from my left corner is Samson. And eating from my right corner is the challenger, Uche. You know the rules of the game. First person to finish is the undisputed champion. Do you understand? Hey, leave that in. Do you understand? 3, 2, 1, eat! Oh yeah, Egu don mature. Who is it going to be? Who will be victor and who will be vanquished in this match between Samson and Uche? Who is going to come out victorious? Well, you only need to watch to the end to find out who is going to emerge victorious, who will be victor and who will be vanquished in this battle against Fufu. When I say chew, you say chew. 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 When I say chew, you say chew. 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 Say chew. Say chew. Chew, chew, chew. Oh my God. He's going. Samson is going. Danger. Oh my God. Uche is not playing. He's not playing. This is a very, very tough match. This is a very tough match. None of them are playing. None of them are playing. This is a very, very tough match between Samson and Uche. My brother man and my sister woman, if you just join us, don't forget to Brutus Gali TV, where we for take the summer on a better Ogbonge entertainment. May you go kulele on our body. As you watch, don't forget to make you like and subscribe, and also drop one Ogbonge comment. We go make the channel they reach new people.
Finish up. Anybody first swing, some money. Finish and go. Chop carry the money.
Oh my God. Turn the belt. Ultimate Food Championship. Who is going to be the Ultimate Food Champion? Who will be crowned king over Fufu? Who will triumph over Fufu? God damn it. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Finish up, finish up. First finish. You got to be choice.
Who is it going to be?
First week, can the champion.
Oh my God.
First week, can the champion.
When I say chew, you say chew. 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 Say chew. Say chew. Say chew. Chew, chew, chew. Oh my God, that guy, the fufu has evaporated. The fufu has evaporated.
Chop your meat, chop your meat.
When I say avoid the bone, you say chop the chicken. Avoid the bone.
Chop the chicken.
Avoid the bone.
Chop the chicken.
Avoid the bone.
Chop the chicken.
Avoid the bone.
Chop the chicken.
Avoid the bone.
Scatter the meat. Scatter the meat. Scatter the meat. Fair chop. First meat. Carry a champion. Minister of First meat. Carry a champion. Oh, I hear you. First meat. Carry a champion. First meat. Scatter the meat. Kagama cheese also scatter the nama. First week, carry a champion.
Oh my God. It has evaporated right before our very eyes. The mountain before Zerubbabel has been made plain right here today before our very own eyes. Who is it going to be? Who will be victor and who will be vanquished? Right here, right now. None of them are taking no for an answer, fighting to the end. And the last, avoid the bone, stay away from the bone, concentrate on the fleshiest flesh of the chicken.
Sharp.
And still chewing, empty your mouth. And your new champion, Uche! Ariel, that's the champion. Uche. No. How do you feel about this match? Yes. So what would you like to say to your fans and your supporters watching you from all over the world?
Join us more and you must see more.
That's good. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. You've heard it from the champion's mouth. Peace out.